And to health matters now, the Federal Ministry of Livestock Development has confirmed the outbreak of anthrax in Zamfara State. Now, anthrax caused by the bacterium Bacillus anthracis is a zoonotic disease that can affect various warm-blooded animals such as cattle, sheep, goats, horses, and wildlife, as well as humans. While anthrax is preventable through coordinated efforts such as risk assessment, surveys, and ring vaccination of susceptible animals in high-risk areas, prompt detection and response are critical to containing its spread. A statement signed by the Director of Information and Public Relations, Ben Gong, says the ministry remains committed to collaborating with all stakeholders to ensure a swift and effective response. Our veterinary doctor, Dr. Bafemi Olurokpo Michael, joins me on the news this hour. Good to have you join us.
Good evening.
So, anthrax has a very high morbidity, potential for morbidity and mortality. How would you rate our preparedness plan for knowing that the first time it broke out in Nigeria was in 2023?
Yes, I will say with the presence of the Ministry of Livestock now, we should be able to handle these things very, very well. It also broke out last year, 2024, also around July also last year. But now with this particular Ministry of Livestock, we should be able to handle this particular anthrax very well, so that it will not deal with all our animal and kill most of our animal. And we have the vaccine available at VOM, just. The vaccine is readily available. So we should just educate our farmers that they should be able to access the vaccine and vaccinate their animal with this. Then there should be more of public sensitization with people about the importance of this particular disease. It is a reportable disease. Whenever they notice it in any part, they should report it to the local authority, that is the veterinarian, around immediately for proper action to be taken.
And what is the likelihood of seeing a surge in cases, not just amongst animals, but also animal to human transmission?
It's very high. The likelihood is very, very high if with the proper precaution is not being taken care of. And thank God now that even the presidency with the Ministry of Livestock Industry, they are trying to bring out this particular grazing pasture route this particular period. So we should be able to restrict the movement of animals from one particular location to another during this particular period. Animals should not move from one place to another. They should restrict the movement of this animal. And whenever we notice that there is an outbreak of this particular anthrax, that particular area should be disinfected immediately and properly. The animal should not be opened up. Like anthrax being caused by Bacillus anthracis, they form spores. So if the animal, the carcass are being opened up, the spores will be able to transmit via the dust and the light, the fluid. So it will contaminate more environment. So whenever they notice any of such cases, they should bury the animal and or burn the animal properly.
Thank you so much for your time. Obafemi Olurokpo Michael, veterinary doctor.